Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all my slimes I made, and plus this is my first video, I think. I don't know, but give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the notification, and let's go. So this is one of my very not so good slimes because I don't know. I just give it. I'm going to scale this to 1 to 10. Let's see, a 3. Yeah, that's a 3. So next is my first crunchy slime. It's Nickelodeon slimes, and it's pretty stretchy. And I like this slime because you can make this swirl, but always get everywhere. And I will scale this to an 8. Next slime is pink. I call it Little Pinky. And I call this Foam Bead slime. I do not have a name for my first slime. This is Little Pinky because it's a little bit amount of slime. And this is just really fun to play with. It ain't that much. You can just, yeah, you know. So yeah, I will scale this to like a 5. Next is Googly Eye slime. Like Google, the new Googly Eye game, something like that. This is my Googly Eye slime. And this is like really good. Well, not that good, but it's good. So I'll scale this to a between a 7 and a 6. 7 or a 6. This is called the Cotton Candy slime. I use glue, shaving cream, glitter, and Tide. I have them in the back. Okay. If I can get it open. Okay. This is called Cotton Candy slime because I use blue and purple glitter. I add lotion to it, but it was really good before this. I thought it was going to be smoother. But, yeah. I'll give this a 9. And my last slime is the prickly slime. These stars are really prickly. And I got a big old scratch from it. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it got a big scar, so I have to be like really careful with this. Even though this is really prickly, I'll give this a 10. See, you can even make a swirl. Woo, woo. That's how my swirl turned out. So yeah, so this is my favorite slime. And thank you guys for watching. Like I said in the beginning, turn on the notifications, hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I want to know how many slimes you have and what their names are called. So until next time, bye!